Welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Python is incredibly versatile and powerful, making it the go-to language for many cybersecurity professionals. In this video, we're breaking down the top 5 Python libraries every aspiring ethical hacker needs to know. These libraries will help you with network manipulation, vulnerability scanning, data analysis, and more. We're talking about libraries that can handle everything from network analysis to data parsing, making your job as an ethical hacker much easier. Stay tuned to level up your hacking game. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of the tools you need to become a proficient ethical hacker. First up, we've got Scapy. This powerful Python library is a must-have tool for anyone serious about network analysis and security. Whether you're a network engineer, a security expert, or just a curious programmer, Scapy offers a treasure trove of functionalities that can help you understand and manipulate network traffic like never before. This library is all about getting down and dirty with network packets. It allows you to capture, analyze, and even create network packets from scratch. Imagine being able to see the raw data that flows through your network and having the power to manipulate it to suit your needs. These packets are the fundamental units of data that travel across your network, carrying everything from web pages to emails. Understanding these packets is crucial for diagnosing network issues, optimizing performance, and securing your network. With Scapy, you can create your own packets from scratch. This means you can simulate different types of network traffic, test how your network responds to various conditions, and even create custom packets for specific applications. It's like having a laboratory for network experimentation right at your fingertips. By crafting your own packets, you can communicate directly with network devices, troubleshoot issues more effectively, and gain a deeper understanding of how your network operates. You can analyze existing traffic, sniff out vulnerabilities, and even craft packets for testing security measures. This makes Scapy an invaluable tool for network security professionals. By examining the packets that flow through your network, you can identify potential weaknesses and take steps to fortify your defenses. Scapy gives you X-ray vision into your network, allowing you to see exactly what's going on beneath the surface. This level of visibility is essential for maintaining a secure and efficient network. You can spot anomalies, detect intrusions, and ensure that your network is running smoothly. You can dissect packets, modify their contents, and even inject your own into the network. This capability is particularly useful for testing how your network responds to different types of traffic and for developing custom network applications. Ethical hackers use it for everything from penetration testing to network security audits. By simulating attacks and analyzing the results, you can identify vulnerabilities before they can be exploited by malicious actors. Want to see how secure your network really is? Scapy can help you find out. With its comprehensive suite of tools, you can perform in-depth security assessments and ensure that your network is as secure as possible. So if you're serious about network security, Scapy is a tool you can't afford to overlook. Next up is Nmap, which stands for Network Mapper. This powerful tool is a staple in the toolkit of any cybersecurity professional. Whether you're a seasoned ethical hacker or just starting out, Nmap is indispensable for network exploration and security auditing. Nmap is renowned for its ability to provide detailed insights into network configurations and vulnerabilities. It's like having a magnifying glass that reveals the hidden details of a network structure. Nmap allows you to discover hosts and services on a computer network, creating a map of the network. This is crucial for identifying potential security risks and understanding the layout of the network. Imagine you're an ethical hacker hired to test a company's security. Your first task is to gather as much information as possible about the network. This initial phase is critical because it sets the stage for all subsequent actions. The first thing you need to do is scope out their network. You need to know what devices are connected, what services are running, and where the potential vulnerabilities might lie. This is where Nmap shines. With its powerful scanning capabilities, Nmap can quickly identify active devices, open ports, and the services running on those ports. This information is invaluable for planning your next steps. It's like sending out a team of digital scouts to map the terrain. These scouts report back with detailed information about the network's layout, helping you to navigate and strategize effectively. Nmap lets you scan networks to identify active hosts, open ports, and even the operating systems running on those devices. This level of detail is crucial for understanding the network's security posture. Knowing the operating systems can help you identify specific vulnerabilities and tailor your security measures accordingly. It's like having a detailed blueprint of the network laid out in front of you. This blueprint allows you to see the big picture and understand how different elements of the network interact with each other. Nmap is incredibly versatile. It can be used in a variety of scenarios, from simple network scans to complex security audits. Its flexibility makes it a favorite among cybersecurity professionals. You can use it for simple port scans to quickly identify open ports and services. This is useful for getting a quick overview of the network surface, or dive deeper with advanced techniques like OS fingerprinting and service version detection. These advanced features allow you to gather more detailed information about the network, which is essential for thorough security assessments. This is essential intel for any ethical hacker looking to understand a network's weaknesses. By identifying these weaknesses, you can develop strategies to mitigate risks and enhance the network's security. Chapter 3 requests your web app wingman. Now let's talk about the web, specifically web applications, those juicy targets for hackers. And when it comes to interacting with web apps, the request library is your best friend. Requests makes it easy to send HTTP requests, which are how your browser communicates with websites. But here's the thing. Requests gives you more control. Want to test a web form for vulnerabilities? Requests lets you craft custom HTTP requests to see how the application responds. Need to automate a task like web scraping? Requests can handle that too. Think of requests as your trusty sidekick for all things web-related. It simplifies interacting with web servers and APIs, allowing you to focus on finding those critical security flaws. Chapter 4. Cryptography, the encryption expert. Security is all about protecting information, and that's where the cryptography library comes in. This one's all about keeping your data locked down tight. Cryptography provides tools for encryption, decryption, hashing, and more. The building blocks of secure communication and data protection. Whether you're building security tools or analyzing systems, understanding cryptography is crucial. The cryptography library lets you implement these concepts in your Python projects. This is next-level stuff, protecting sensitive data from prying eyes. With the cryptography library, you'll have the tools to do it right. Chapter 5. Pandas, the data detective. Last but not least, we have Pandas. Data analysis. What's that got to do with hacking? It's more important than you think. Ethical hackers deal with massive amounts of data, network logs, system files, you name it. Making sense of all that information manually would be a nightmare. That's where Pandas comes in. It's like having a superpowered spreadsheet that can handle huge datasets with ease. Use Pandas to filter, sort, and analyze data to uncover hidden patterns and anomalies. Pandas helps you find the needle in the haystack. It's an essential tool for any ethical hacker to make sense of complex data and identify potential security risks. And there you have it, folks. The top 5 Python libraries every ethical hacker needs. These tools will give you the power to analyze networks, test web applications, secure data, and so much more. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Use these tools ethically and responsibly to make the digital world a safer place.